Hey guys, so hopefully, if I time this correctly, this is one of the longer weeks, and the event should activate. Like as you can see, well, I got the feed. It's the money I have is like 4 million coins. I have pretty much the max my thingamadoos I can have, and let's see if I timed this correctly. Because people are asking how to get money and how to get spins. Did I time that correctly? I did not. I did not. So I guess it's going to be tomorrow then. Well, I guess I'll make this video tomorrow. Not sure when, but you know what? Just part one. Part one. So one way is I do the little coin event. The coin event's not active right now. It's usually like the Viking thing, the Mayan thing, and sometimes a snow thing. It'll be on the side over here. I'll do that. I'll have make sure I have no money. I'll make sure I have no spends. That way I get the lowest lowest goals. The lowest goals, because the point is to get the spends and the cards. If you get Because if you have a bunch of money, the goal is going to be higher. Like it'll be really hard to get past like the first two or three even. But what you want to do is get all of them. And what I do is I get rid of all my money either by buying Village 377, by the way. Um by either buying whatever I can here, or what I'll do is I will buy, because you can actually buy cards with the gold. And that right there leads you to, you could buy the gold and then you can finish your sets. Because right now I have everything set to all that's collected. So that means that all the gold cards I'll get in that coin event will go to these. Will go to these new ones. And that way I could just complete those. And then I use my Joker cards because I can't use them on anything else on the other albums. Well, I can if I wanted to. But I use them for these blue ones. That way I can complete those. And the only thing I really have to worry about is collecting the little emojis. But that's part one. I'll come back tomorrow and explain a bit more. Another thing you could do, these don't expire. These stack. So you can essentially stack up a bunch of them. I'm gonna try to stack up probably about 100 or so. And then that way I could get more spins. I could get like the blue card. I could get the special chest and stuff and help do all that. Um Another thing I do, well, this right here, this is a huge mess. I don't like this at all. I do not like this new one at all. I hate it. I hate it with burning passion. But usually what I would do is um save Vocal Potions. That way what you would do with the coin event is you save up potions, and I have 2.5 here ready to be collected. So when the event comes out, I can activate a fox, and I usually do 150, because that's usually, I usually do 150. I mean, I got people with like a good bit of money as friends. And I just pretty much just hope for a raid. If I could get a raid, that usually carries me a good bit in the event. That'll carry me about half. If I get at least a good raid, that'll carry me almost to half the event. But I'll do a part two of this tomorrow, and then maybe merge them together. Probably, I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Another thing I failed to mention in the video is I ended up doing some spins, and I realized how close I was to getting this 11th. If you're close to the event, because the event is usually within like 24 hours, so I'm a day short. But sometimes it comes earlier if you have a longer week, because sometimes the event period will last a day or two longer. And that's why I prepared just in case it came out today, because sometimes they'll trip me up and I'm eventually screwed, because it's based on what you have when you log in. You could spend all your money you want and then go to the event, and the event will just be all like, well, when you logged in, this is what you had. You don't want that. You don't want that at all. But yeah, I'm pretty much sitting good. I'm pretty darn sure I could get, what is that, 6. That did not sound good. Okay, I thought I heard something break. It was not something that break. So I'm pretty much set up to get 11,000 spins tomorrow to help. So I'm pretty much set up tomorrow when the event happens. So that's part 1. Part 2, I'll come in tomorrow and show you guys what I'm talking about with the event and everything. But that's just how to set up the event. It's pretty much make sure you got like nothing. Just absolutely nothing, but make sure you have something in reserves.
That's a piggy right there.
That is a piggy. Just make sure you have something in reserves. And I will see you guys tomorrow.